If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to make Mac cursor, mouse pointer, bigger on macOS Ventura. To change the size of mouse pointer or Mac cursor on macOS Ventura, here is what to do. First, go to the Apple logo from the top left menu and click on System Settings. Next, on System Settings, click on Accessibility. On Accessibility, click on Display. Now, on Display, scroll down and use slider to change size of the cursor. You may also change the color of the cursor as shown. Just click on Outline Color and choose the color you like. And you may also change the pointer fill color by clicking on the pointer fill color option. Next, choose the color you like and you are all set. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.